Jibo, number one, obviously the Badegbe Commission report must be fully implemented. Number two, the number of police personnel deployed for category A and B. Jibo, category A and B matches are Kotkone has most of the time. Has a lower team A B. Kotoko lower team A B. Into the number of police officials that should be deployed should not be less than 100. The spirit of this particular decision is that Hasem Kotoko realizes say in recent times, higher park. The teams are using it to their advantage during their home matches. Last season, Kotkone has open teams bear me and some they were away and they were struggling because the playing field for every home game will be airborne. It's not the same as Babaya and Accra Sports Stadium. Into what you're asking now, say security measures say them Kotokone has because Kotoko before Babaya. Musi mo expecting per 5,000. Sasna Kotokosuko Piemo Sunyania. You are getting it will be the highest form of spectatorship. That club Ibenya. I want the match in so it will be closer to 2,000, 3,000. And security measures you put to Babaya. Let's do same hour before. So that one the referee will feel protected. Send a referee back Kumasia of back crowd protected. Ultimately game they were open. They want the same thing there. Send your supporters. Jibo, one major thing is the supporters. How many times now? But for no supporters be free her. Abesia kon cry ko support bofu so ko akra. But has be twama ko sunyane a abas wo obekọ the bas kwa kosi asim. Say amanfo me fronko. Na amanfo ko ne de bi ekobo omo wo na atia na wo bo matches ayabo. Ni ekobo omo a eyare papa. So omo na who say their supporters ne tu kwan di omachi as compared to the other clubs. Therefore, yema police for endorso. Sani ne supporter obefano and if asem de kwa that yema trameka pole asem ni bi. And we can do that when there is proper police personnel. Enough number. Yen kase de 20 ko na be 15 jira ina perimeter. Na be 2 bi at VIP ho hwa ade. Ye uniform baba oh senior kwa de NSC. Police for the body omo sha atade na omo sha atade omo nam stance. That's the extra security amount for nya. They want the same thing for away games. Number 3, they are calling for military in matches are a high risk. Now say has score baseke. Report on the concrete. Where near day? As film keke ni nyai. Dom di free baseke koy. Enti match ye determine say high risk. For instance, has any medium category B. But a high risk. Has new Olympics category B. But a high risk because there's that rivalry no. Has Messia Kodoma. The tension a high risk. Send ye the military baba because military present will get her. The actual the United to the club will be a one. But we are looking at the way forward. So if you are preaching against the next officer, that's what try ABC them. Why away team? Oh, come out. I just all the who's here. Won't mean Chijamampo. Away team will continue Chijama. But we want to eradicate all that. There one thing that people don't know. Your teams be a house acquired. Depend on relationship. And maybe another about say, Kotoko high say your certain venues are house. Says our teams number Premier League now. The Ombe house no money Kotoko. Until they are calling for military. Military bet me to the extent says what the boss say call away team crowd do her. Ebi a pebe military for be mienu. E the ama away team. Send your hell Europe. It means away stance in here. Enough security to protect the away stance. Until be a house a Kotoko. On my arrangement so your supporters the boss is be too. Ni about the security coordinator man here. Or say my police 4-5. Military 2. So bomb mobile. You feel safe. What me to what me do asa feel safe. That memory our person who go stay in Obenyan, you will get it the moment you are leaving the place. So if you are a leader and you are speaking against this, you are now for Febi or her, Dibo, a necessary evil. Their battle on the field, they do among us or make a move. Nasa Togbene, Nana Pinkrobian Waka say be Drew Park in the swap for 3 points one can number for Kumasi. They will still fight for the 3 points. But at the moment, They have to come together to fight a common goal, which will benefit them. How many times now? Oh, Abbas. Oh, cassette they do hasi fro akosoroha. And you're now organizing. You organize. Nina now the good memories iba. Ebu adi about Tony na Babeka. Ebu amot me fem. And to where I be a moody nipa 10 qua. Adi abetini the obed department of Huno. And found send your babu de no number the sorte. Yeah, we have asked a bomb so your organization is down because we are expecting you to organize. Now, you're organizing fan ko tena disco, you're organizing ko stadium. Because I want you to no. Now, you can't go on your safer next time. So, the Amoka immediately, you can't security on sense. It's just say, for instance, security cameras, 10 an hour bosono. Yet, it's me boy, you who's a dressing room. Your point, you know, we could chase referee. Why would me Babet transfer referee the first half, second half of Bayern and modern the BB assessor, Kalan assessor? They are calling for CCTV. Well, one away team dressing room or no, referee dressing room or no.
When you say
home team dressing room or no,
and then 2 days referee penny paper. Udigana Premier League. No, see this is Okodi game be. Now our dressing room ma first half no. No who say call for me and say be dressing room. Na na chi and the home. Who answer back with the Nsafa and Nante Mason and Torre.
Be me a kakra.
The referee or so to him no. So referee me win and I be lose.
It's second half of the banner. Not saying you know the first half. Assessor. And they are calling say referee door not yet. As a camera, but and a be leading to the dressing room. Maybe you're protecting. I won't pay cameras and more. No, me but me.
And there's some person. For instance,
I want to check on the table.
I must say, Has no Kotoko last season has the Bob 3 matches. Oh, Baba, because you two are mobile. Has no Kotoko cran yet me, you are more free or home venue and your mobile way venue. I'm on Beshe. They are saying say moving forward. Say stadium be meeting the necessary requirement. Ye need home and found another home. Ye they call another home has no Kotoko because you are big. Now Baba and you cry out Diano. Your chances of penetrating to that venue to get a good result. No, I was through. Nah, last one. I'm saying no dear. As soon as possible. A bremu no money. That has to do with money. Sikasem are clubs mienu here. Enti Abbas, and many and your mom can I don't see anybody. I'm even surprised with the poster of Abbas. I will come back away match Debian on the tia, or come back away Moonsem. What's the away match? Or quiet fast or channel. Why should it be so?
Obed made us say, Zach, my mentor,